Have you ever wished for a hassle-free way to create YouTube videos without spending hours in front of editing software? If yes, you're in luck. There are several hassle-free ways to create YouTube videos without spending hours in front of editing softwares. One popular option is to use online video editors, which often come with pre-designed templates and easy-to-use tools. This allows you to quickly edit your videos without any technical expertise. Hey everyone, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you where we'll show you how to make $650 per day by creating AI videos using ChatGPT and Victory. Are you ready to dive in and unlock the potential of YouTube automation? Let's get started. Before we begin, let's choose a topic that has the potential to engage our audience and generate revenue. ChatGPT, our trusty AI assistant, will help us make an informed decision. So we'll ask ChatGPT, based on the current trends and interests, what topic should be used for our YouTube video today. Excellent suggestion, ChatGPT. We'll go with top 10 travel destination because it is a popular niche with great monetization opportunities. Now let's move on to crafting our script. Perfect. With ChatGPT's assistance, we now have our script ready. Now let me introduce you to the AI tool that we're going to be using today for this tutorial. We have here Pictory. It is an incredible tool that revolutionizes the way we create YouTube videos. Pictory uses cutting-edge AI technology to automatically generate visually stunning videos from text-based scripts. Pictory streamlines the video creation process, saving us time and effort. It also empowers us to focus on other important aspects of our YouTube channel, such as the promotion and engagement. With Pictory, we can create professional-looking videos in minutes. Once you prepared your script, it's time to witness the magic of Pictory. Let's see how it transforms our text-based script into a visually captivating video. And as the video is being generated, Pictory analyzes the text, recognizes key phrases, and selects relevant images, animations, and transitions. It creates a visually appealing video that keeps viewers engaged throughout. Let's see what Pictory has produced. So it seamlessly incorporates the text from our script, synchronizing it with stunning visuals. The attention to details helps maintain viewers' interest and significantly increase watch time. Because the longer viewer stays engaged, the greater our revenue potential. But that's not all Pictory offers. It allows you to customize your videos further, so you can choose different style, add voiceover or background music, and even modify the visual elements to align with your branding. So these are the tools in here that we're going to be using to customize our videos further, or if you want to add more depth to your videos. This level of flexibility ensures that your videos are unique and can stand out from the crowd. And now that we have here our video, it's time to optimize it for maximum reach and engagement. Let's add a touch of rhetorical questions to make it even more lively and interactive. So what are rhetorical questions? Rhetorical questions are a powerful tool to captivate your audience. They pique curiosity, spark conversation, and encourage viewers to share their opinions in the comment section. By actively engaging with your audience, you can foster a strong community around your channel. So you can add this rhetorical question in the first part of the video to help the users be engaged. Remember, engagement is a key in YouTube. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Building a loyal community will help you achieve that $650 per day goal and beyond. Now take a look to the finished product. Built from the ground up to work at lightning speed, Pictory's unique real-fast technology enables you to turn your scripts into stunning videos in minutes instead of hours. Pictory's powerful AI also does the hard work for you. Create your first video in less than 10 minutes, no previous video making experience or technical knowledge required. With also its huge media library, with a selection from over 3 million video clips and images, plus 15,000 music tracks from industry leaders, Storyblocks, and Melody.ie, all royalty-free forever, meaning you'll never get a copyright claim. Pictory also runs in the cloud, meaning there is no software to download and install, plus your computer won't slow down. Well, that's it for today's tutorial on making $650 per day with AI videos using ChatGPT and Pictory. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. It is really a great product and the best of the video creation tools that you can find. Easy to get started with high quality results. It really makes professional videos for everything, and it could also take a short time to make something great. Now it's your time to unleash your creativity and automate your content creation and to achieve success on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy content creation!